Project Triclops, How the Story Goes, and our cast of characters. As you can see, we lost a couple along the way. Intrapreneurship is the act of behaving like an entrepreneur while working within a large organization. Wikipedia. Meet Triclops, a three-eyed monster. And this is the Triclops Intrapreneurs Resource and Support Group, a crowdsourced platform where entrepreneurs at any level of an organization can achieve innovation, invention, and initiative. The goal of the project is to help organizations, both big and small, become innovation-friendly and to increase the number of empowered entrepreneurship teams worldwide. As you will see in this video, we've overcome some early constraints and had some early successes. But we've also had some pressing constraints that, if avoided, could be the difference between a Triclops launch and a Triclops flop, or tri-flop. But we stayed in action. Thanks, Robert Sutton. Well, our group spanned the globe, and it made communicating with each other a little hard. We spanned from St. Petersburg, Russia, to Washington, D.C., and in between we had Brazil and Spain, Nigeria, and Czech Republic. We had several critical constraints. The most critical constraint was a group constraint, specifically about our process. We began as a team in week 4, maybe more like week 4.5, and had our first all-group Skype call sometime around then. This late start had a big effect on our process and our project. Yes, the process. We should have started at the beginning of Dr. Owens's 7-step process, beginning at 0 or 1, by identifying the problem area and generating ideas. Instead, we jumped directly to setting direction of our only concept. While this was good for Carolyn and Saida, who were able to complete their week 5 and 6 assignments, it was not so good for a clear group focus or for building a strong foundation for our innovation. If we are to keep working together on the Triclops project, and we hope we do, we'll need to do a little backtracking and revisit some of the early process steps to make sure the ground beneath our project's feet is solid. One way our late start and lack of process affected us had to do with our market. We had a lack of understanding of the market we were targeting. This confusion halted our work on the Triclops site since we didn't quite know what types of resources to offer or really what market segments would find value in the Triclops site. To overcome this constraint and to find out what type of entrepreneur would be interested in the resource and support platform, we'll need to build in time to get feedback from a variety of market segments. One could say we will cast a wide net and test whether CEOs, middle-level managers, and frontline team members see value in our offerings. Once we see whether and why these 3 market segments bite, we'll be able to tailor our offerings for maximum value to these customers. Here's to staying in action as the Project Triclops team.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.